What's up, you beautiful people? It's been 7 months since I went and got a hair transplant in Turkey. Let's talk about where I am. Let's talk about where I'm going. Let's talk about the results so far. So I believe I have finally hit the mark where it feels like every day I wake up and I feel like a different person. It is starting to fill in more and more every single day, and I am so happy. We're only at month 7. A lot of people boom month 7 to 9. Some people boom earlier, some people boom here. It seems my timeline is month 7 to 9 is where I'm booming. As you guys know, it took a long time for it to start to come in, but I'm feeling a lot better with my results so far at this point. As you guys know, my very first transplant, the way they did it is they made it the most dense in the front, gradually made it less dense as they went back, and I haven't gotten the back done yet. I'll show the back in a second. And my second transplant will get the back done, and then it will also go forward in the opposite direction to truly completely finish the job. But so far, man, I'm feeling great. I feel like it looks really good 7 months in. It's going to continue to fill in, and then I'm going to continue to get my second transplant and continue my hair routine that I've been doing. As you guys know, it's a 3-year plan to get all my hair completely back, and we're on track for that, man. Let me show you what my donor area is looking like. It looks pretty much untouched. As you guys know, it's going to be light in this area because that's where I'm getting that second hair transplant, but my donor area looks completely untouched. Let me get a real close-up on it. As you guys can see, it's not the thickest yet. It's still very thin. There's still some spotty spots, but you guys remember how bald I was at one point. I mean, we are looking good. I feel like every day right now, I'm waking up like a new man. I have hair. Like, it's absolutely insane. I am the definition of trust the process. Trust the process, ladies and gentlemen. We're not even close to being done. We are not done yet. But let me tell you something. As the time is going by right now, I'm more and more confident that it's going to be a mission complete. We will defeat balding. Remember though, none of this would be remotely possible without the hair routine that I do every day. This is not the work of just a transplant. I've said it 1,000 times and I'll say it again. If you want to save your hair, especially if you're someone that was in such an extreme case like me, you have to be on a hair routine even if you get a hair transplant. If you catch it early, you won't even need a hair transplant, but you have to be on a hair routine no matter what. Unless you're someone that is never gonna fully bald and you're just fixing a hairline or something like that from a hair transplant, that's the only time you won't need a hair routine. Every other time, most people, you're gonna need a hair routine. It's just how it goes. Unfortunately, it is the truth. You gotta do what you gotta do if you wanna do it. If not, you go bald. And that's perfectly okay too, but it's up to the consumer, baby. Remember, I went to Vera Clinic. It's linked in my bio if you guys wanna check them out, as well as everything I use for my entire hair routine. If you have any questions about anything I do, check my account. I've made videos on everything, and I will continue to do so. Almost 80,000 followers, guys. You guys are amazing. This has been a journey so far. We're not done yet. We're gonna keep pushing. I love y'all. See you soon. Also, I'm getting PRP next week, because why not? Might as well do the most we can, right? Love y'all. See you soon.